Wanna remember the old time saying, where say cock mouth kill cock? It means you're not for boast or talk out of turn. On Sunday Night Live, this Sunday, we'll be talking about the courts granting injunction against Portmore becoming a parish. DJ Khaled, Vibes Cartel, Bounty Killer link up to create new music after 15 years. Good times at 4 at 8 p.m. right after the uploads. So make it a date, don't be late, 8 p.m. right on Expressions JA's YouTube channel. See you on Sunday.
Alright, that sounds good. But what is the situation with him now? When are the last time you see him or talk to him?
I go page him because after what happened down Caldo, I couldn't just make it slide so I just have to page him and make him know who is who.
You and this paging thing, Trevor, it's serious now. I don't know why uno man stay so. This tit for tat? Trevor, you say I come clean? So tell me, where you page him say? And why you page him with? Come and know you.
I just go page him to make him know what is what. As simple as that. I'm going to go there with him woman.
Him woman? Trevor, how the man woman drop in?
Camille, just calm down. A Bev best friend. She named Omega. Yeah.
Omega? The same woman where you get the loan? No, this is more than pasa. You want blender, Trevor?
No, but me did have to go check her to find out if she give him information to find my place.
You see where this lead to, Trevor? People that give out information about your whereabouts. Remember, you have a daughter and you also have a woman. Anything we drop off of you, I drop on we.
That's why I tell you, me I try to fix the problem. Me I try to come clean with everything. To just change my life.
Trevor, Mama tell you this. Going to the barber, cutting your hair, and you change it to change your life. It just a change how you look. Listen to me. May I take this up in my hands? Because this is when me leave things in your hands, Trevor. Nothing good no come out of it. So like how you love page, me gonna be the whole book and give Alfred the chapter of Camille.
No, Camille. You can't do this. Listen, me will deal with that. You not get your hand in this.
Deal with that? You mean like how you deal with Nicey leaving Calder tours and she still there?
Then you tell her so she can't stay there for 2 more weeks.
I do that because of you, Trevor. Under normal circumstances, I'm not a friend of your woman them. And you know that very well.
Then this shouldn't be a problem.
It's a problem, Trevor. Because she's still in our space. You know what I'm see. The problem will come anyways. She want play 2-side cutlass. You know the girl asked me how well me trust you.
What? Why should I ask you that?
Good question. But based on how she move and how she asked the question, it seemed like Nicey knows something we are going in your life where me don't know about.
You know, so me I go take it up in and I really deal with that woman, yeah? Once and for all.
And you're not gonna handle it so. The first thing me want to know, is there something that she knows that I don't know?
Come here. The reason why me I come clean to you today, I have to make you know everything where me know. And I have nothing to do with where she know. She don't know nothing about me.
Oh, really? And when you're there at Barbados, she could have tell me everything. Where you eat for breakfast, what time your conference start, what time it end. Trevor, the only thing Nicey never tell me is when you're bed.
I know, say, me I go cut off that woman completely. Me I go block her. Me not answer no call. Me not take no message from her. I think she want to sink me, you know.
Okay. So when you block her, Don't take her messages or phone call. How you gonna handle when she dead downstairs? Cause she can't just come upstairs and talk to you. Oh, you gonna move call though?
Camille, you know, say you take this thing for a joke thing.
No, it's you take it for a joke thing, Trevor. If you're gonna change everything and we're gonna move on as a family, you have to change the situation at hand.